We're going to Florida.
Shining like a work of art, hanging on a wall of stars. Are you what I think you are?
So I ran into a bit of an issue. Forgot my glasses, my sunglasses. So I had to pick up these beauties. I think I look pretty good. Yeah.
Elevator to the moon, whistling our favorite tune, trying to get a closer view.
There's a dinosaur chasing you.
Maybe you will always be just a little
Always Christmas. What she said. It's the night bus. It's the night bus. It's raining, but our spirits aren't dampened. Catch it?
Please welcome out to the stage, Stan Yanetsky, Natalia Tena, James and Oliver Phelps back to the stage.
So, quick recap. You've been seeing a lot of time lapse, a lot of different videos and whatnot, but it's been raining all day. It's a little after 6. We're on our way to the Harry Potter lighting of the castle. It's been raining all. Okay guys, so a lot of video here, a lot of our vacation, but I wasn't really sure throughout this trip whether or not I wanted to make a vlog or make this just like a vacation video, so it's a mixture of both. This place is really magical. This is my first time to go to Orlando, so I wanted to make sure that I documented it. I'll be back for sure. I didn't think that I was gonna be back, but this place is amazing. There's a Harry Potter ride that I rode 3 times. Six Flags ain't got nothing on this place, okay? But if you haven't been here, I suggest that you come. Later. So, we just rode our first real roller coaster. This is amazing. Had its own music that you could choose your playlist, so pretty legit. I was impressed. So we just rode the Jimmy Fallon ride. It's pretty legit. Anytime you got some virtual reality, 3D stuff, it's always pretty cool. I enjoyed that. Now we're gonna go hang out with the Decepticons.
It is I, Optimus Prime.
Yes, it is, sir.
Very bad, Kitty. Sideways.
We are facing a heavy sustained attack. They appear to be after the all.
Bro, what's mad? Why are you so upset? I guess mad that he's not getting a ride anymore. Thumbs up to that ride. That was great. So our time has come. We're not gonna leave yet, but we're leaving this park, so it's a little sad, but I'm glad we got to enjoy it. 3 days. It's awesome. Okay, so right now we're at the King's Cross station. We've come this way before, and it's a pretty cool experience inside of the train, but we haven't gone back. Okay, it's supposed to be a completely different experience, so everything here is very, very detailed. It's amazing. It's really nice. Am I close enough? See all those people? Those are all fake people. They just look how lifelike they look. That's a real Harry Potter. So as you just saw, I jumped through the the brick, and now we're on platform 9 3/4. I've never seen so many wizards in my life. I feel good. By the way, it was like 78 earlier. Now it's freezing. Hi, little ducky.
I want to try and beat one. Ooh, Lord.
Margaritas to go. Speaking of to go, it's been real, Orlando. I think this is it. We've had a great time here, and we'll definitely be back, but that's it. It's 6 in the morning. Headed back to Dallas. Okay, so back to Dallas. Big things happen here. Okay, so obviously you can see I'm back at work. Florida was fun, but you know, eventually you gotta go back to work, you gotta pay the bills. Okay, so I know I kind of said that I was back at work, but I don't think I'm ready yet, so.
Once again, if you have any more car seats or strollers that need tagging to your final destination, please see us at the gate.
We're going to Vegas. See you there. So, that was our trip to Vegas. Bye. Bye. Bye.